The Colchester Causeway Trail is one of the most unique biking experiences in Vermont. You can literally ride your bike across Lake Champlain's Malletts Bay. We began our ride at Colchester Airport Park, which offers plenty of parking, including spaces for larger vehicles. Combined with the Burlington Greenway Trail, this route forms the 14-mile Island Line Trail, connecting Burlington to South Hero Island. For a more ambitious adventure, this trail system is also part of the 53-mile Triple Ferry Loop, which continues into upstate New York and requires 2 additional ferry crossings to complete. If you prefer to start closer to the causeway, the Mills Point parking lot is a good option, though it has limited spots and is best suited for standard-size vehicles. It's just over a mile to reach the causeway. The causeway itself stretches about 3 miles across Lake Champlain. You can't bike the full length of the causeway all the way to Hero Island because of a 200-foot gap created to allow boat navigation. From the causeway, you'll enjoy spectacular views. The Green Mountains of Vermont are to the east, the Adirondacks of New York are to the west. Local Motion provides free seasonal ferry service to bridge that gap. Just be sure to check the schedule before your ride. To summon the ferry, simply raise the flag at the landing area. Due to time constraints, we turned around at the gap, about 4 miles from our Airport Park starting point, and roughly 1 mile from the end of the trail on Hero Island. Back at the Airport Park, you can cross the street to connect with the Burlington Greenway Trail, completing the Island Line Trail. Check out our Burlington Greenway Trail video for highlights from that scenic section. After our ride, we headed into Burlington and wrapped up the day with a fun meal at the shanty on the shore. Thanks for watching.